Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to buy Apple shares. First, pick a reputable broker that fits your needs and confirm FDIC or SIP protections. Once chosen, upload a government ID and provide your tax ID so the account can be approved. Then link your bank and fund the account with ACH or a wire transfer. Make sure you account for the 3-day clearing period. While waiting, decide whether you want whole shares or fractional shares and whether you'll use a margin-enabled account. Once your funds clear, search the ticker Apple and review the live quote. Note the bid/ask spread and recent volume to avoid surprises. Next, choose an order type. Market for immediate execution, limit to control the price, or stop limit to trigger conditional trades. Enter the exact share count or dollar amount if fractional shares are permitted. Make sure to review commissions and margin requirements, plus the T+2 settlement window, so you know when you can now submit the order. Before hitting buy, double-check the ticker, quantity order type, and which account is selected. After execution, verify the trade confirmation, timestamp, and resulting position in your portfolio, and enable price alerts or dividend reinvestment if that matches your plan. Save trade confirmations for taxes and note settlement date. If the trade doesn't execute or fills partially, first review order status in the app. Then contact broker support with the order ID for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.